The human nervous system has many parts, which includes the central and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. Beyond the central nervous system, or the CNS, is everything known as the peripheral nervous system, or the PNS. The nervous system is at work all the time. It is constantly taking in information coming from our senses. The central nervous system is a part of the nervous system's command station. It helps the PNS control the body parts that are needed to move. The PNS is made up of the nerves that branch out into every part of the body. It extends from the spinal cord to transmit information to and from the brain. Two important parts of the central nervous system are the brain and the spine. The brain looks like a wrinkled, jelly, pink, gray sponge thing. Kind of gross. The brain is made up of the medulla, the cerebellum, and the cerebrum. The medulla controls our breathing. The cerebellum helps us keep our balance, and the cerebrum controls our thinking. The spinal cord goes down our back and neck. Our bony spine protects it. The spinal cord is like a processing area for incoming messages brought to it by the peripheral nerves. The next important part of the nervous system, the peripheral nervous system, controls everything beyond the central nervous system. There are two main parts, the sensory nerves and the motor nerves. The sensory nerves bring messages to the central nervous system. The motor nerves carry messages to the central nervous system and all throughout the body. Another part of the peripheral nervous system are the cranial nerves. There are 12 pairs that branch out from the underside of the brain. The cranial nerves are a mix of sensory, acoustic, optic, and vagus nerves. This means they control many parts of the body, like our smell, eyes, hearing, and balance, tongue movement, even our heart and breathing, just to name a few. The next important part of the peripheral nervous system is the spinal nerves. The spinal nerves have 31 pairs that branch off from the spinal cord. Each of these peripheral nerves are also mixed like the cranial nerves. They have sensory fibers that carry messages to the spinal cord. They also contain motor fibers that carry messages from the spinal cord. It's amazing to see how the nervous system is working constantly. It is a very important part inside the human body. Without it, we wouldn't feel anything. We couldn't walk, talk, or even think without it. It just wouldn't be the same.